everyone, let's solve a question that is based on reactivity in electrophilic aromatic substitution. Question is, which benzene ring in each compound is more reactive in electrophilic aromatic substitution? We know that in electrophilic aromatic substitution, aromatic compounds like benzene will react with the electrophile and it forms like this substituted product. Electrophile is electron deficient. It is electron deficient. Okay, and this benzene ring has pi bond, which is a good source of electron. So it is electron rich. Okay, that's why electrophile attacks on the benzene ring and form this substituted product that is known as electrophilic aromatic substitution. So the rate will be directly proportional to electron density on benzene ring. If the benzene ring has more electron density, then the rate of electrophilic substitution reaction will be more. Now we'll see, in all the three cases, we have two benzene ring. Now in the first molecule, if we see, in the first benzene ring, we have CO group attached. So this group will act as a minus M group. So it will decrease the electron density. So here it will be less electron density. And the other group is this one. This is electron donating group that will donate the electron density to that ring. So this ring will be more electron rich. So in the first case, in the A, second ring will be more reactive. So in A, second ring will be more reactive because second ring has more electron density because this is the oxygen lone pair is being donated in that ring. In the second molecule, again we have two rings 1 and 2. In the first ring there is no any group attached, only this phenyl ring. In the second benzene ring, one extra methyl group is attached, and methyl group has plus I effect and hyperconjugation. So by the help of plus I and, that is the inductive effect and hyperconjugation, it increases the electron density in that ring. So here it will be more electron rich ring, and hence in the second case also, second ring will be more reactive than the first ring. In the third molecule, again we have first and second ring. In the first ring, we have only this group CH2. In the second ring, we have CO group, that is electron withdrawing group, minus M in fact, because it is taking electron from the second ring by the minus M effect, or we can say mesomeric effect. So the electron density in the second ring will become less. So it will be less electron density, and there is no any such group that is attached in the first ring that is decreasing its electron density. So in the third one, ring 1, that is the first ring, will be more reactive. Okay. So in the first, second ring will be more reactive because in the second ring electron donor group is present. In the second also, second ring will be more reactive because methyl is there, plus I group and hyperconjugation. In the third also, first ring will be more reactive because in the first ring there is no any electron withdrawing group. In the second, it is carbonyl compound that is acting as a minus M group and decreasing the electron density in the second ring. So first will be more reactive. Thank you.